contain points, lines, characters and other attributes of the picture. అంటే ఇక్కడ పాయింట్స్, కలర్స్, లైన్స్ అండ్ attributes of the picture to be drawn. These commands are interacted and processing of display processor. The electron beam accordingly excites phosphorus that glows a short period. అంటే తక్కువ టైంలోనే మనకు కావాల్సిన కలర్ అనేది డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది, మనకు కావాల్సిన ఇమేజ్ అనేది డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. ఇన్ ది ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ మెయింటైనింగ్ ఏ స్టడీ ఫ్లిక్కర్ ఫ్రీ ఇమేజ్, the screen must be refreshed, displayed partially noted from the bright, clear image and light drawing speed. The refresh operations will well suited to fast main animation of the screen. This is the phosphorus coated mesh. And the next glass is screen display in either 3D or 2D. The chief advantages of vector replace display are their high cost and their tendency to flicker on the complex drawing. If the refresh rate becomes the lesser than the flicker of the eye, the color displays are possible, but again they're only available at a high cost. The vector displays are very high cost, but the process is very fast. See in this diagram, display file, this one is a display file and this one is a display processor, display commands, input data, CPU. The display processor to the CPU to display commands and display input data, display processor and character generator, left font. Next one is exposition and second one is Y position. Vector generator, these are the character generators or vector generators to CRT to phosphorus coated mesh. These are the main diagram of vector refresh display. The second one is raster display or raster refresh display. This is the line diagram of raster refresh display. What is the raster refresh display or raster display? Works on the principle of domestic television set. In raster display, the raster screen area is individual horizontal and vertical into the matrix of the small element is called picture element or pixels. A pixel is the smallest addressable area on the screen as shown in below figure. Resolution as shown in this figure. The resolution defined as the screen, N nose and M columns. N nose and M columns. Defined as a screen line, typical resolution of the raster display 1280 into 1204. The pixels are controlled by the electron beam as it sweeps across the screen from one side to the another side. A beam always starts of the screen the top of the left hand corner of the screen, finished on the horizontal line to the right more down one row, pick cell written and start again left display. It commands when they become has each refresh operation. It has above 0.02 seconds image are displayed by the converting geometric in the format ion into pixel value, which they cover into electronic beam deflection through the display processor, and the reflection system is colored raster display. There are electron guns, one for each of the primary color, red gun and blue phosphorus dots on the face of the CRT in order to ensure that individual electron guns exit on the current phosphorus dot. The red excited only red phosphorus dots are performed. Metal grids is played between the electron guns and surface of the CRT. The formation in the shadow mask are arranged in the same triangular pattern as the phosphorus dots. Now it is the diagram of raster display. It is the image creation system. This is the rasters. This one is the pixels. This one is the color map. Red, green, blue RGB display processor, and this is the image refresh system, and this one is display system, input display system. These are the CPU display commands, input data, deflection and color, CRT and phosphorus pixel. Now the last topic, and these topics are very different. This one is the X position and Y position, left and right we are using, and these are the pixels are used in raster display system. This is the horizontal deflections. Horizontal deflections are used in vector display, and pixels are used in raster display. These are the main difference between these two type of displays. The distance between formation is called the pitch. The color guns are arranged so that their individual beam converting and intersecting at the shadow mask upon the passing through the hole in shadow mask. The red beam, for example, is prevented or masked from intersecting entire the green blue phosphorus dots. It can only intersect red phosphorus dot by verifying the strength of the electron beam for each individual primary color. Different states are obtained. This primary color state are combined into number of colors for each pixel. These are the working principle and procedure of the raster display system. Raster display system. The next third one is liquid crystal display. These are the XYZ. These are the two types. First one is liquid transmission light observed. Liquid transmission and light observed. The first one is non-coherent light is passing through the first, means the left side. Polarized, the result in transmitted light is polarized on the x to y plane. The light continues through second, polarized in the figure. This is the first x. This is the x-axis, z-axis and y-axis, xyz. This is the horizontal. The lines are vertical. In light transmission. And the second one is the polarizing fixture of the second polarized rotated. This one is rotated 90 degrees to that of first. Consequently, the plane polarized light that passed through the first polarized is observed by the second. This is the vertical and this one is the horizontal lines. X-axis and y-axis, horizontal line to the vertical lines to the horizontal line. This is the 90 degree rotated in liquid crystal display. The liquid crystal display transmitted or blocked depending upon their orientation of the molecules in the liquid crystal. Polarizing characteristics of the certain organic compounds are used in a modified characteristics. This incident light, the basic principle of the polarizing light as shown in the below figure. These are no changes. This one is the vertical lines and this one is the vertical lines. The light observation is vertical lines to the horizontal lines. This is the 90 degrees of revolution in light observed. These are the three types of liquid crystal displays I was explained. Thank you.